Hey, it's Judd from Rock Dome TV, and I'm here with Dan Kaczynski, Premier Promotions of Western New York, and we're at the Erie County Fairgrounds for springtime in the country. And if you weren't able to make this show, we're going to be at the Rochester Dome Arena in Henrietta next weekend. Dan, what an awesome show this is. This is my first time actually ever attending. So thank you so much for organizing. But tell me about the history of this show.
Well, this is our 25th year here. This is kind of the spring event that coincides with Christmas in the Country Artisan Market that we do at the Erie County Fairgrounds. It's just kind of blossomed into something that's really great. And I think the real key of this is not only is everything handcrafted here, but we're really spotlighting the small business artisan, which you don't really get that shopping experience when you go to the mall or you go, certainly when you shop at Amazon, you don't get that. You actually get to meet and interact with the people who are making things because everything here is handcrafted.
Yeah, I spoke to several of the artists. They were just so pleased with the turnout and with everybody's enthusiasm and appreciation for their artwork.
I have been painting mailboxes for over 25 years, and I'm able to continue to go back to the same shows because my paint does hold up. I hand paint each one individually, and then I bake the enamel into the surface, and that's what gives it its durable, scratch-resistant finish. My paint will outlast the mailboxes. Now, because everyone only needs one mailbox, I started painting hummingbird feeders also. You have a wonderful hummingbird population up here in northern New York State. The hummingbird feeders, if you feed them, they do come. So it's a lot of fun to decorate an entire garden for my customers.
Yeah, I've been doing this for almost 30 years, and I make my own patterns. I just start with coming up with a concept, and then I design the patterns and I make them, and every year I'm adding new styles and new fashions, and I watch the trends of what the girls are wearing, and I try to find things that'll be exciting for them to, like we have boutique chic here, that's something that meets the girls who like a little edginess, and then I always have, of course, the princess type
Behind
thing.
us here. So Dan, thank you so much. We're looking forward to next weekend, and we'll see you soon.
Thanks, John.